Hi there. Thank you for being here. I understand that you need some advice on how to reignite the magic in your life. Now, let me assure you that magic is real, and you have magical powers. The more relaxed you become during the process of this reading, the closer you get to unleashing these magical powers. So it all depends on you. It all depends on how relaxed you can get. And it's not a matter of willpower when you're relaxing. It's more about just taking a deep breath and allowing it to be released with a sigh. It's not about how smart you are. It's not about how hard you can work. It's not about any of that. It is a very, very strange skill. One that is not taught at school, but you can learn about it here. If you enjoy this type of video, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to support my work, you can do so by purchasing a tarot reading from me on my website. But for now, let's focus on the relaxation process. So as I was saying, the way to access your magical powers is simply to relax your mind and your body in this present moment, to be mindful and present. Can you imagine what that would be like if you could relax fully in this moment? If you could allow your muscles on a conscious and a subconscious level to relax, how would that feel? How would your body feel? Would it feel warm and comfortable? Probably, right? Can you imagine you taking a deep breath and then releasing the breath with a smile and a big sigh and a noise that feels good in the moment? If you can imagine those things, you can imagine that you have magical powers. So, what would you use those magical powers for? I'll give you a little bit of time to think about that. What if I told you that you already have the power? You are already a magician. And if you follow along with the movements of this brush, you will become more and more relaxed. And the more relaxed you are, the more accessible your powers become. Can you imagine a world in which you have more control, more power over what happens to you? imagine a world where truth is at the center. At the center of it all. There's a lot of truth in fairy tales, in mythology, in these symbolic stories that we tell ourselves. So let me tell you a story, and perhaps that's going to awaken you to your power while your mind and your body are falling asleep. So I just want to tell you that that's okay. I'm not going to get offended. But if you're just relaxing, listening to this, that's okay too. Just enjoy the lack of pressure in this moment. This is the story of the world. Your world. Your world is complete and powerful. And it has all the markers, all the signals, the indicators of a successful world. There's nothing missing from this picture. There's nothing amiss. This is perfection. That moment of being elevated from the ground. That moment of full concentration and control. What could these four symbolic creatures represent? What could they stand for? We have a lion, I believe, a bull, an eagle, and a child. In the traditional tarot of Marseille, as well as the later Rider-Waite tarot deck, a naked woman hovers or dances above the earth, holding a staff in each hand, surrounded by a wreath, being watched by the four living creatures, or Hayoth, of Jewish mythology: a man, a lion, an ox, and an eagle. This depiction parallels the tetramorph used in Christian art, where the four creatures are used as symbols for the four evangelists. Some astrological sources explain these observers as representatives of the natural world or the kingdom of beasts. According to astrological tradition, the lion is Leo, a fire sign. The bull, or calf, is Taurus, an earth sign. The man is Aquarius, an air sign. And the eagle is Scorpio, a water sign. These signs are the four fixed signs and represent the classical four elements. This is from the Wikipedia page about the world. And since I started doing tarot readings, Wikipedia has become more and more of a credible resource for beginning tarot readers. So I recommend that you check it out if you are interested in learning more about the cards. The Wikipedia articles are very thorough and interesting. So back to you. Back to you performing this incredible dance. Your art. Your elevated expression of yourself. In the middle of this protected zone, this bubble of comfort and protection. Your will is one with that of the world. Your magic happens simultaneously with the world's will and processes. There is no you that exists independently of the world. There's only you within the world. And when you realize that aligning your individual willpower with this holistic system called the world or the universe is going to make you a magician, that's where you can start to become more empowered. For now, all I'm asking you is to keep breathing slowly in and out. Just pay attention to your breathing as you fall asleep, or as you fall deeper and deeper into relaxation. And just notice what happens. I hope that you enjoy this meditation. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing and for supporting my work. And I hope to see you tomorrow.